Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of sports gear, specifically baseball, with a product that's making waves in the market. Introducing the WOLT Youth Baseball Backpack Bag, the ultimate companion for young baseball enthusiasts. This isn't just any ordinary bag. It's been designed with the player in mind, offering unparalleled convenience and functionality. Let's take a closer look at what makes this the best baseball bag for boys available right now. First off, let's talk about design. The WOLT Baseball Backpack is crafted with a meticulous attention to detail, catering to the needs of baseball, t-ball, and softball players alike. It's spacious, it's durable, and it's packed with features that set it apart from the competition. Inside, you'll find a large main compartment that can accommodate all your essential gear, from helmets to gloves, and everything in between. There's even a separate compartment for your shoes, keeping them isolated from the rest of your equipment. But wait, there's more. The exterior of the bag is where the magic truly happens. With side elastic pockets for bats or water bottles, a front bungee cord for quick access to hats or gloves, and even an integrated fence hook for dugout convenience, every aspect of this bag has been carefully thought out for maximum usability. Comfort and durability are also top priorities here. The adjustable shoulder straps and padded back ensure a comfortable fit, even during those long days at the ballpark. And with its high-quality materials and reinforced stitching, you can trust that this bag will withstand the rigors of the game season after season. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for the best baseball bag for boys, look no further than the WOLT Youth Baseball Backpack Bag. With its perfect blend of functionality, durability, and style, it's sure to elevate your game to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.